Hi everyone. In this video, I discussed the parts of lathe machine in detail. So I request you can watch my complete video. In previous lecture, I discussed the three parts of a CNC machine and lathe machine. So now in today's video, I discussed the four parts of a lathe machine, which name is spindle. So now I want to discuss the spindle portion in detail. So this is the spindle, you can see in the picture very clearly. So this is the shape of spindle, and now you can see in spindle have a lot of parts and a lot of portions. So the first one portion of a spindle is hydraulic cylinder. So this is the first one portion of um, this is the first portion of spindle, hydraulic cylinder. Okay, so now the second one is spindle house. This is the spindle house, you can see in the picture. This is the spindle house. This is very clearly you can see this. So this is the spindle house. Okay, now this is the spindle bearings. Spindle bearings. This portion is the spindle bearings. Okay, so now I discussed the chalk. The chalk. This is chalk. This is chalk of a CNC and lathe machine. Okay, so now I discussed the base, the shaft of lathe machine. Here you can see this shaft as spindle shaft. There's a spindle shaft, and now this you can see this is motor. So these all the mechanism, and these all the parts: hydraulic cylinders, spindle house, spindle bearings, motors, spindle shaft, and chock. These all are combined and this make the one things which name has spindle. So now I discuss in detail. It is the main part of lathe machine which hold and rotate the chalk. You understand? It is the main part of lathe machine which hold or rotate the chalk. So the another one, it is made from good quality alloy steels. This chalk is made by the alloy steel in alloy steel. Okay, this chalk is made by the alloy steel and it heat treated. Okay, so this is the very important things. Threads and triffers etc. are met at one end of the spindle to which holding device can be attached. So the one portion of the spindle which the device and the things are holding and attached. So this is the main parts of a spindle. This is the main part of a spindle, and the spindle main part is hold and rotate the chalk, good quality and still allied and heated trusses made up. So these all are the good category of uh, spindle. Now I discuss the five number portion of this lathe machine. Carriage, which name is carriage. So now I'll discuss the carriage and detail that what is the uh, what is carriage and how benefits of carriage. Okay. So the first one, it is located between the headstock and the tailstock. Carriage is located between the headstock and the tailstock. This is the main parts. Okay, it's used to hold and move the tools. It's used to hold and move the tools post along the bed either toward or away from the headstock. Okay, you understand? Used to hold and move the tool post along with the bed either towards or away from the headstock. It slides on the guideway. It is also made of cast iron. It has six main parts. So now I discuss all the parts in detail. So you can watch this video completely. You can understand the every portion of this uh, scandal. Okay. So the first one is sadly, the second one is cross slide, the third one is compound reset, the fourth one is compound slide, and the fifth one is tool first, and this sixth one is apron. Okay. So now I discuss these all parts on the picture. So the first one here you can see the picture clearly. The first one portion is tool post. This is the tool post, okay. And the another one is cross light. This is the cross lights. And this is the compound reset. Here you can see there's a compound reset, and this is the cross slide feed. And this is the carriage feed, and this side is the power feed lever and half nuts lever, clotage and aprons. Okay, these all are the parts, main parts of the uh, this machines. So this picture is very clearly you can see. So now I discuss the sixth one, number parts. Its name is sadly, it is an H-shape casting mounted on the lathe vase. So the sadly is H-shape casting mounted on the lathe vase. So supported to the cross slide to provide movement to the tool post. So now I discussed the seven slide. A cross slide is the part of the carriage that allows the movement of tools first at a right angle to the bed guideways during machining. The cross slide is moved while to the feed screw. So now I discuss the eighth portion, compound reset. So compound reset is a very important portion of this tools. Compound reset is a part of that connect the cross slide and the component slides. The compound reset is mounted on the top of the cross. So now the compound slide is attached to the compound reset by the dual joints. Compound sliders are used to cut angles or trapper that cannot be cut by the rotating the headstock. So that's all portion are very important. So and these all parts are very important for you guys that you can know about this after you can working on this machine. My in this channel You can see different types of videos available and the practical work and lathe machine and CNC machine. So you can see this all videos. Now I discussed the theoretical portion of this machines. So now you can watch the complete video and press the bell icon that you will never miss the latest video. So this is the another portion. So in next tutorial I discuss these all the parts of a lathe machine in detail. So now I discuss these all portions. So I request you please subscribe my channel and double scales and press the head buttons that you will never miss the latest video. Okay, so thanks for watching and take care yourself, and for more videos please subscribe this channel. So this is very helpful for you guys that you can know about the lathe machine videos. Okay, this is very helpful channel for you guys, and I make this all video in United States and United Kingdom, the top ranking country. So I recommend that you can join my this channel community, and you can get the knowledge about lathe machine and has working on lathe machine, practical working, theoretical working, and the uh, uh, all portion and study of this about this lathe machine. So you can uh, watch this system, and you can do everything for this portion. Okay, thank you so much.